everyone, today we're going to walk through what kind of information should be checked in the pre-draft file, and in what situations files can be merged. Here we have a pre-draft file. We can see that there is an article number, article name, and supplier information. Market release date, which is a very important date. It is a decisive factor in the requirements list that will be generated. So if we find out that it's incorrect, it will need to be modified. You can click here, then go to Market Release Date. Choose the correct date. Review changes, then click on Agree and Save. Now the date has been updated. What kind of files can be merged together? There are some guidelines on the Product IP website. The preconditions are the same supplier, the same materials, the same requirements list. Product function should be the same. They'll share some documents. For example, pots like these ones below. They're only different in sizes. They can be merged together. The lamps here, they're only different in shapes of the lampshade. So they can be merged together too. But if product function would have been different, let's say this is an indoor lamp and this is an outdoor lamp. They'll have different requirements. In this case, it is necessary to have two separate files. So back to the pre-draft information. Let's see. It must be the same supplier. And another condition is that the market release date must be the same. And in this case, for example, these teddy bears, the supplier declares that their materials are the same. Only the colours are different. When they are tested, test results are in the same report. Well, in this situation, it's possible to merge them together. For example, the purple one, brown, pink and yellow ones. These four files can be merged together. We can click on it. Scroll down to the merge file, click on Execute, select one, then merge. In this case, these four different coloured bears are all merged into one file. Thank you for your attention.